Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. First of all, I'll show you yesterday's solution. It isn't mine, first of all, I took it from the top solutions, and you can even see the highest score that someone attained is 708.39, which I don't know how they did. Like, they also use box shadow, etc. Maybe there's something that I missed, but still, this is a solution which, although I know you could have seen yourself, also because it's in the top solution is available to all. But still, I felt like I should show it once. And this is today's target. So, as always, removing the comments. Now, what we would be doing is, first let me tell you how I'll do this. I'll first give a background here, then I'll use the body, like this would be body, and these would be div and its box shadows. Simply, that's my plan. Although it isn't a kind of plan in real, but still, background, and background would be this color. Let's paste. Then let's write body, and I think its height would be 100. Not sure, we'll later on see what the actual height is, but let's go with the approximations. So background would be this color. Paste. Okay, it's too small, my bad. It should at least be 250, I think. Now obviously we'll also need to give it position fixed. Then we would be giving it a margin. Like, we could have worked with margin straight away, my bad. So the margin would be, I think, 100. I'm just randomly using values. 90. Okay, so we have one value. 50. 65. Yeah, 65 looks quite correct. First of all, let's increase this. 120. Yeah. 64. 63, 62. I don't know, 70. 69, 68, 67, 66, 65. Like, also I later on found out that we can simply do this to see how accurate of a value it is. Mostly I prefer to keep this as a size, but for recording I usually switch to this. Yeah, this one. But I saw multiple people use it like this, so I may occasionally switch whenever I need to check the values. Also, let's make it 260, 70. Like a little bit, not much, a little bit, maybe. 64, 4, 5.5 maybe. I know what I'm doing. Like, I do know, but okay, it needs to have a little bit, like a really little bit more value, such as maybe 272, 64, 63. And I'll see the value later on. We have got this rough figure. Now I'll just bring some changes in the div. First of all, we don't even need this position fixed. A and then A, and now position fixed. We'll change the sizes. First of all, the width would become, I don't know, around 50. No, 50 is still big. 20, 30. Yeah, 30 looks quite correct. And the height would go to 50 maybe. No, 70, 60. Now let's give a margin of maybe 30. Okay, it is somehow at the correct position, like exactly where it has to be. Like it is really at the exact position, which is weird, honestly. Now let's use box shadow. Okay, so 0 pixel. Wait, I didn't even give the color, which is quite necessary. Let's paste it here. 0 pixel and 30 pixel. I gave it wrong, my bad. 0 pixel. $60. Now next one would be 120 pixel and 0 pixel. Like I don't even need to write 0 pixel. And the next would obviously be 180 pixel and 0. Okay, so we have created it. All we have to do is just a little bit adjustment, but let's see. It would at least be a 99.9 or maybe 100 if it is glitched. Okay, we got a 99.9. Now all we have to do is figure out what's wrong with this. Like first of all, if it is 30, so just let me do this. 30 plus 30 plus 30. Like these are 4, those are 5, right? So it should be 270 completely, first of all. Then I don't know what's the problem with margin. Let's use top and left first. So top 90. Okay, I removed the position fixed. My bad. Position fixed. Not 90, it would be. Okay, let's also do margin 0. Okay, quite correct. Now left would be 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know what's wrong. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What about now? Would the score increase or decrease? Okay, now it's 100% somehow. So one thing we can do is 64.9. Let's remove this. It should give 100%. Yeah, it did. So now, as you can see, like there is some difference there. I don't know why it isn't rendering it as a difference, although there is so much. Like I can see multiple lines that are even visible when I'm going to what size I normally keep. I know what's going on, but never mind, let's leave it. Also, as I calculated what the correct width would be, that simply shows that how maths is important to some extent to web development and all other programming languages also, because you will need to do some calculations to get the desired result. That could be seen as a universal truth. Now let's submit it and maybe it surpasses 650. The chances are quite high. Yeah, it's now 663.56. And what's the average score? 613.61. So multiple people are getting it absolutely right. And 396 is the average score. I think I previously had around 396 only. No, it's 296. Still pretty good. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.